Yay, Saturday fabrics, and they're so pretty. I know I always say that, but these are beautiful. This is a viscose. It's a woven viscose. It's a dual border, so it's the same border top and bottom. Would that just be an adorable little tunic? Or a pair of capris, I think would be so cute. It's lightweight, it's cool. Oh, lovely. Italian, 100% viscose. All the fabrics today are $11.99. Today only $11.99. Then they'll go up. You know how that works. This is a sweatshirt fabric, but I swear to you, it's so lightweight. I had a request for great blacks. This is 100% cotton. It's so beautiful, stretch in both directions, but it's so light. That's what I'm stunned with how light it is. This is a cotton poly, mostly cotton. It's Italian. But look at that, is that great? Just for tie-dyes. Tie-dyes they're just so hard to find. They're so pretty. This one's just beautiful. Cotton poly stretch in both directions. Love this leopard. Love it, love it, love it. It's just really cool looking. Lightweight, it's a cotton poly. It's almost like a brushed, you know, I know you can't feel, but it has that texture to it. It's just really, really soft. Stretch in both directions, and it's mostly cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, but it's cotton poly. Then I just made myself a pair of yoga pants, and somebody said, give me a great pair of fabric that would be great for yoga pants. The first black would, but this is really nice. Lightweight. If you need a new pair, this is great. Stretch in both directions, but not a lot of stretch, just slight stretch. So it's just a really great fabric, and that's 100% cotton, by the way. This is also 100% cotton. Love this plaid. Typically, but I love the touch of purple. It's like a black and a white with a touch of purple. Both sides are usable. Very beautiful, very nice fabric. Lovely. Again, 100% cotton woven. Happy all $11.99. My goodness gracious. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.